Hello, I'm Peter Aziz. I'm here to introduce my upcoming workshop on freedom from doubt. So why do people doubt, and how does it affect them? We've certainly found in metaphysics that doubt gets in the way because we need expectation to manifest our dreams. You find in the animal kingdom doubt isn't natural. You watch a cat, for instance, when it's hunting, it's 100% focused on its goal. There's no other thought. There's no sense, I might be able to do this, or I can't do it. There's none of that. So what goes wrong in humans? Well, first of all, animals have this focus because they need to survive. When people get lazy if everything's too safe, it also makes it easier for them to have their self-worth undermined. Shame starts creeping in. This when the thoughts coming, I'm not good enough. This is where they have doubts coming in because you don't feel good about yourself. The other problem starts right from that point of separation from source. We forget our power, therefore doubt starts creeping in. So what can we do about all this? This is what this workshop is about. We're going to begin with an attunement that reminds you of your connected to source, your oneness. We're going to do a healing, which removes all that belief in failure. You're going to be learning to use runes to actually overcome doubt and get the 100% focus. And finally, we're going to give an empowerment of the jaguar spirit. As I said, cats have 100% focus in the hunt. Use that focus where there's no doubt in your mind. So this is a very practical workshop. So if you have any doubts in your mind and you feel it gets in the way of your progress and you have self-doubt and can't manifest your dreams, then this is a first step for you. So if you want to overcome your doubt, hit that button. I'll see you there.